This out right here. See? Look. That's not shipped. See? It's broken. This is shipped, so we're gonna fix it, guys. Alright guys, check this out. I'm gonna put this on right here. Whew. Put it on here. Safety first. You gotta do this car. Make sure you put this first for safety. So the problem we having is that this one right here, look. This out right here. See? Look. That's not shipped. See? It's broken. This is shipped, so we're gonna fix it, guys. See, look. See? See the R? Reverse. On reverse. It's still not stuck on reverse. So we're gonna fix it. Alright. We will fix that today. Because we got the parts. We got this one right here. Yep. That's the one right here, guys. Alright, we're gonna take this up right here. First thing we have to do, we gotta remove this thing. We're gonna remove this and we're gonna remove this. Check it out. Alright, we're gonna remove this. Alright, we got that out. Next we're gonna move this. Key. Alright, so this is the one right here, guys. This is the one that's broken, so we gotta remove this. I'll pop this out right here. So we got that off right there. Problem is that one right there. See that? Came off completely. So we gotta pull this out right here. Have to pull this whole thing out. Yep. Alright guys, we're gonna remove this one. You gotta remove this one first. This one right here, remove that, and then remove that one. And you pop this out, put it on the cigarette side, put a key on, turn it reverse, and you put this little clip out. So we can replace this parts right here. Yep. So we're gonna pull the cable out. Yep. Alright, when we move this thing out of the way, now we can put this in there. Let's see, we just gotta pop it in there. Just like that, guys. Oh, it's pretty stiff, but you have to use the special tools, I believe. Let's see if you can. Alright, guys, we got that in there. It's right there. Make sure you put the clip back in there. It's a clip. Make sure you put it back correct. Just popped out in there nice and even. So now you can put this board back. Alright, we got that in there. Boom, boom, boom. Everything's plugged in. Now we're gonna put this in right here. Now make sure you put this back. Make sure you start it up. Make sure it works. Alright, we're gonna park. We're gonna park. For reverse. We're gonna reverse. We're gonna drop on neutral. It's on neutral. Park. It's on park. Turn it up. Turn it back on. Let's put this back on right here. Let's put this cover back in there. Then make sure you put this little clip, this little cigarette lighter. Make sure you put it back. Actually, no, BTC push button. I mean switch. Put that in there. There it is. Then we gotta put this one screw back in there. Just like that, guys. Put it back. We gotta fix that.